Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Miss Ruby and I am Ruby, and in today's video I will show you how to get this beautiful glamorous look, and I will also share with you how to achieve this brown halo eye makeup in an easier way. So if before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, there's a red button below my video. Press that and also press the bell icon with it. So now let's get started. First, I will moisturize my skin. I will be using this Cetaphil moisturizer. Guys, this step you should not skip. I will recommend you not to skip this step. You have to moisturize your skin even if you have an oily skin. So now that I have moisturized my full skin, and I will also moisturize my lips. So I'm using this lip balm all over my lip and I will leave it. Now I will start with the brows. I'm using this PAC eyeshadow palette and I'm using black shadow for my brows. So I'm just following my natural line and I will just fill up my scars which are below the between the eyebrows. So as you can see, I'm just filling up my gaps. So once I'm done with my brows, I will be concealing my eyes, and I'm taking this Krylon concealer in shade Ivory 01, and I will be concealing all over my lid. This will help to prevent a discoloration or any black marks on our eyes. And to set that, I will be using this translucent powder Ivory shade of Krylon in shade 01, and I will be setting it with a bluffing brush. The brushes are from PAC. So once I'm done with that, now I'm taking this PAC eyeshadow palette and I will be using this brown shade. And as you can see, I'm using this blending brush from PAC, and I'll be applying that brown shade on my corner V area, and I will be dragging that same color to my inner V area. So as you can see, I'm building a link between my outer V area as well as inner V area. So this is our outer V area and I'm dragging it towards my inner V. I'm not applying this shade in the center part of my eyes. So now I'll be taking more of the product and I will be applying it on my inner V area, and I will be connecting back to my outer V area. So now I'm taking a clean brush and I will be just cancelling out all my harsh lines. As you can see, whatever the harsh lines you can see, you just have to brush it out. You have to hold the brush from the end and you have to hold it very lightly. Then I'm taking the same concealer and with a flat small brush, I will be just cleaning up my center portion. As you can see, it's like a cut crease, but I'm just cleaning up. So I can put this champagne color. This is from PAC shimmer palette, and I'm using this light golden, you can say, or a champagne color in middle of my eyelid. You just have to fill this with a small brush, and once I'm done with that, I'm taking this Maybelline liner, black liner. It's a liquid liner, and I will be drawing a liner, but I'm not giving a very dramatic look as I'm having a slanting eyes. So I'm just giving a small eyeline look. I'm not drawing it a big dramatic eyeliner. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Kajal Kohl in black color. So guys, if I'm already having a big eye, so I really don't like white kohl in my eyes. But if you're having a smaller eyes, you can use white kohl as well. So white kajal as well. So I'm using this black shade. And once I'm done with this, I'm taking a small smudging brush and I'm just smudging the kajal on my waterline area. As you can see, I'm just smudging it out. And now with the same palette, I'm picking up the same brown color and I will be applying with my small blending brush below my waterline area. And now for the face, I will be taking this yellow color corrector and I will be applying it under my eyes where I have all my black or pigmentations back. I'll be applying it over there. And now I'm taking a concealer to hide that color corrector. So this is the same concealer in ivory shade. And I will dab it with my blending beauty blender. Slowly and steadily, have damped my beauty blender, then I'm blending it. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to blend it. Once I'm done with that, now I'm taking this Maybelline 24 Hours foundation in shade of Ivory 01, and I will be applying it all over my face, and with the PAC blending brush. This is a kabuki brush, and I will be applying it all over my face. I'm blending it well. You have to blend it well, and also see that you're blending your neck as well. Do not leave your neck like that. And now with the same PAC eyeshadow palette, I'm using the same brown color as my contour. As I couldn't find my contour palette, so I'm using the same eyeshadow palette and I'm using it as my contour. So guys, I always wanted to show you this tricks also. So this is one of the trick that you can use your eyeshadow palette as your contour. So see how well it's blended, and I'm using a small eyeshadow brush. I'm not using the heavy big brush for it. So the smaller the brush, it is better for you to contour it. So now I'm done contouring. Now I'll be taking a blusher. This is from Miss Claire, and I'm using a light pink all over my cheeks. Very light-handedly you have to do it. So I'm dabbing it on my cheeks. Now I'm also contouring my nose. I have forgot to contour my nose. So I'm taking a small eyeshadow brush again, and I will be contouring my nose. See how sharp our nose look once we contour it, and with the same eyeshadow palette I have done it. And I will be also contouring my jawline area. You just have to pick up very less product, otherwise it will be a mess. And now I'm with the Krylon translucent powder. I'll be applying it all over my, where I have done where you see the lines are there like laughing lines and all. So I'm applying it over there, and I will be just brushing it off quickly, because as it is I'm having a dry skin issue, so you just don't have to leave the powder for that long. And now I'm taking Sivana highlighter, and I will be highlighting it with my fan brush. So all on my nose bridge, I'll be applying it on my cheekbone. And also applying it on a little bit of my forehead. So now I'm taking this brown nude color for my lip liner, and I'll be just drawing my natural line, and I'll follow my natural line. And now I'm taking this Makeup Studio in Savannah colors, and I'll be using this beautiful red color for my lips. I'm using this PAC brush, lip brush with it. So this red color goes very well with our brown eyeshadow look. And I will be also giving all the links of the description down below my video. And now I'll be taking this concealer and I'm just cleaning it out, making it quite neat. And voila, I'm all done with my look. So this is the final look of my video, and I hope you guys liked it. If you really liked my video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have still not subscribed my video, please subscribe. Down there's a red button, subscribe button, just press it, and also press the bell icon for my latest video. So keep watching it and stay safe. Bye.